everybody, welcome to Cooking with Chef Pup. We always bring you the best. All right, today we're going to make homemade frozen yogurt ice cream. So the ingredients, very simple ingredients, it's going to be basically 1 3/4 cups of heavy cream, 3/4 cups of unsweetened Greek yogurt, and 3/4 cups of sugar. Also, I'm using some frozen fruit, and I'm going to do the mix in the bowl here, and we're going to be doing it into the Cuisinart ice cream maker. But right now, I have the bowl in the freezer right now. It's getting nice and chilled. All right, so what we're going to do first here, we're going to add our cream. So this is going to be 1 3/4 cup of heavy cream. All right, that's been chilled. All right, and then we're going to take the Greek yogurt, and this is basically 3/4 cups of unsweetened Greek yogurt. Okay, make sure I get it all out of there. Okay, now we're going to add the sugar. And this is 3/4 cups of sugar. All right, so I'm going to give this a little whisk. Get it all incorporated. All right. I want a nice, smooth, velvety look. And that looks very smooth. All right, so for the time being, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. Because I'm going to cut some fruit up. And then we're all going to add it to the blender. All right. I got some strawberries. I got some blueberries. I guess you can put any fruit that you want. But these are frozen. Once again, I gotta be very careful with these knives. In previous videos, I cut my finger really bad, but she healed pretty good. It was a rookie mistake. You know, you do recipes and you have stuff left over, and it just sometimes just winds up going to a waste. So I thought of something here with the ice cream machine. I'll make this Greek yogurt ice cream with fruit. Yeah, I want to chop this down as much as I can. These strawberries. Like I said, you can just add one type of fruit if you want to. I'm just using what I have on hand. All right. I don't think you can go wrong with blueberry and strawberry. I don't think you can go wrong. And I got my frozen blueberries. I don't think I have to chop those. So, what I'm going to do, let's get a bowl here. Blender here. And I want to start adding all my fruit, frozen fruit to the bowl. Let's add a little bit more. There we go. There we go. Need a little wash here. All right. All right. Now, I'm using my Ninja. I want to try to get this as smooth as possible. Put that back in there. All right. It's going to get a little loud. And here we go. Okay. That's about all I'm going to get out of it. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the liquid to it and blend it up some more. So. Here we go. Oh, yes. This is going to be very delicious. Oh, that tastes good. Okay, let me get it all out. Oh, this is all nothing but goodness. And like I said, I only use 3-4 cups of sugar. All right, that's plenty. All right. All right, here we go. All right. Give it a nice little blend. Good. All right, that's about it. Oh, that looks pretty. I'll show it to you in a minute. Let me get a spoon here. Color. Oh, 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 that's so good. Oh, yeah. All right. Now, the next step we have to do this. I want to keep this. That has to go back in the freezer of setting up the machine. The machine's very simple to set up. All right. So, let me get rid of this. All right. Need to give a little wipe here. All right, let's bring the machine up over here. Machine is a very heavy machine. Very heavy. All right. All right. All right. So let me get the container that belongs to the machine here. Take it out of the freezer. Let's see. This is the little pot I was talking about. This is nice and cold. All right. So what I'm going to do is just pour it right on in. Oh, yes. I have to get all this out of here. I'm going to have to do it with this hand. Okay, so I'll be right back as soon as I get all this goodness into here. So I'll be right back. Everybody, welcome back. Okay, I got all the ice cream, the Greek yogurt ice cream into the container here. Okay, now the simplest thing, and you insert it. All right. And I'm gonna put the top on. All right. Hook up the motor, insert, and then with this machine, all you have to do is set it and forget it. And here we go. 60 minutes, 1 hour. It's a little loud, all right? It has its own refrigerator inside of it, all right? Very good machine. This is the Cuisinart ice cream machine. Cuisinart by Cuisinart. All right, but if I can take the time out to say, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and ring the bell. I would really dearly appreciate it. And I shall return when this Greek yogurt ice cream is completed. All right, so be right back. Oh, hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cooking with Chef Puck. We always bring you the best. All right, basically the yogurt ice cream is done, so I'm definitely going to stop it now. All right, the motor part off. Let me get the top off, and I'll give you an idea what this looks. You know, I'm gonna have to spoon it out here for you. All right. Very nice, very, very nice. All right. You know, this recipe with this ice cream machine, I'm gonna put it in the notes there in the description, but you need to make this. Put any fruit that you put in, but I did put some strawberries and blueberries in. And this is so smooth, and it's just so smooth. It's a yogurt, but it's a yogurt ice cream. All right, let me give you a closer look. All right. Give you a closer look here. What it looks like here. All right. All right, I have this tub right here where it's gonna go into, and I'm gonna put it into the freezer for later on tonight. All right, so let me get it out of the container. All right. Whoops. Get it out of the container. All right. So, that's mine. All right. It's hard to get out. So, you want to take that. You want to get that in there. And you want to get your ice cream. Your GoPro, your yogurt, whatever you want to call it. Call it what you want to call it. Now remember, this does not have no kind of preservatives in it. It's all natural, all right? So you know what you put in it. Make sure I get it all out of there. I don't want to leave nothing behind. But this is delicious, wow. You know, I'm not just saying it's delicious because I make it. I'm going to be honest with you. It's freaking delicious. I hope I can say it, freaking. I hope I can say that. But this is delicious, man. Wow. All right. Now, we have to work on this. Get all this ice cream out of here. Oh, excuse me. Yogurt. GoPro, whatever they call it. Right. But I was saying before that, you know, you have things that you buy to make a recipe, then you have it left over, and then you have it in the refrigerator, and it usually goes to waste, all right? I just thought of this today with this ice cream machine, what I can do with it. And this is what I came up with. All right. I want to try to get as much ice cream up this paddle. All right. But the ice cream maker makes it so much easier. All right. Then just putting it, just you mixing it up and putting it into the freezer. You know, this does half the time. Okay. Now, I need to shape it. Right. My hands a little washed. All right. I'm going to need a paper towel. So I'm going to wipe the sides. Oh, yeah. All right. So, we have homemade yogurt ice cream, whatever you want to call it. It is just so smooth. Oh. Oh, man. All right, let me give you a look what it looks like in the container. Just bear with me, please. All right, this is going to go into the freezer for tonight. And that's the recipe right there. All right, I'm going to leave the information in the notes. And once again, if you enjoy this video on Facebook, please go to YouTube and give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, and I would really appreciate it. And I hope you enjoy this this recipe, and it's the bomb. It's definitely the bomb. All right, and I hope that you make it and enjoy it. Okay, so once again, everybody have a wonderful Friday, and I'll see you on the next one.